Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to create this beautiful smoky eye makeup look. Let's get started. To begin with, I'm using a foundation stick, applying it evenly all over my face because I want to create a smooth and even base before moving on the eye makeup. I'm blending it carefully so it melts into my skin and doesn't look patchy. Now that my foundation is blended, I'm going to color correct my under eye area using a red lipstick. I know this might seem a little unusual, but it works really well for me. The red tone helps neutralize the darkness under my eyes and gives me a brighter looking base. After that, I'm taking the same foundation stick and apply a little more over the color corrected area. This helps cover the red lipstick while keeping the under eyes looking even natural. I'm blending everything together until the foundation and color corrector look seamless. Next step is concealing my face. I'm applying a concealer under my eyes, on the side and bridge of my nose, above and below my eyebrows, on the side of my lips, on the area where I will be contouring, and also on my forehead and chin. Now I'm blending everything smoothly for a bright, even and flawless base, and it's a really light shade for me. That is why it's look like this. And yeah, I'm blending it with the beauty blender. Now I'm using Blue Heaven compact powder all over my face, especially on the areas where I applied concealer. This helps to set my makeup, control oil, and gives a smooth matte finish to my base. I am using a white compact powder to highlight my face, applying it to the inner and outer corner of my eyes and the side of my nose, and also on the bridge and tip of my nose to add brightness and definition. Now I am going to contouring my chin, the hollow of my cheeks, my nose bridge, my forehead, and the side of my face forehead to add definition and shape, giving my face a more sculpted and balanced look. I am applying a cream blush from Blue Heaven to the apples of my cheeks and blending it upward to give a natural, fresh, and healthy glow to my face. Now we are moving to my eyebrows. I am brushing my eyebrows with a spoolie to shape them and then filling them in lightly using light brown and black eyeshadow for a more natural, defined look. I'm using the spoolie again to comb it. Now I'm applying warm toned blush on the outer eye and the temple area in a soft C shape between my eyebrows and hairline to lift and warm up the face. We are moving on to the eye makeup. I'm applying a mix of two light brown eyeshadows on the outer side of my eyelids, then adding a slightly darker shade on the corners to deepen the look and start building the smoky effect. Now I'm applying kajal along my upper lash line and gently tapping it with a small fluffy brush instead of blending. To softly smudge and set it for a smoky effect. I'm doing it to the both eyes. As you can see, this is how I do it. I'm applying dark brown eyeshadow with a brush above my crease, blending it over the smudged kajal to soften and deepen the smoky eye effect. Now I am using the same brush I used earlier to smudge the kajal, softening everything together for a smooth smoky effect. I am using a fluffy brush to gently dab and smudge the eyeshadow over the kajal, lightly pressing instead of blending to soften everything together for a smoky effect. Applying kajal on my lower waterline and lightly smudging it with a brush to soften and blend it for a smoky effect. And using a dark eyeshadow to softly smudge and blend the kajal again. Intensifying the lower lash line for a deeper smoky eye effect and blend it with a small pencil kind of brush. Now curling my lashes and applying mascara to lift and define my eyes, making the lashes to look longer, fuller, and more voluminous for the final eye look. Upper and lower, okay? Moisturize my lips, applying a Vaseline on my lips first, then lightly contouring my lips, and after that I'm layering and mixing 4 different lipstick to create a custom lip shade for a fuller and more blended finish. If anyone need the lipstick links, you can say it on my comment box. Using a shimmer shade eyeshadow to highlight the tip of my nose, bridge of my nose, and my cheeks to add a soft and glow and enhance the high points of my face and my chin. Adding two molds to complete the look. That's all for today, guys. This is my final look. Thank you so much for watching. You can share your opinion in the comment box. Please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon for more videos.